finger sambar, we have to need 4 ladies fingers, 1 tomato, onion, green chillies, turmeric, salt, red chili powder, and add some water and boil it. After boiling, we have to add a tamarind juice into it and boil it well. After boiling, you have to make ready for tadaka. You have to make tadaka. For tadaka, you have to put bowl, add some oil, red chilies, garlic, mustard seeds, zeera, onion, curry leaves, coriander, and mix it well. After frying it, you have to add ladies finger sambar. Now you have to add ladies finger sambar. And boil it for 2 minutes. Ladies finger sambar is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.